Are you tired of waiting for your pool to warm up in the summer? Do you want to extend your swimming season and make the most of your backyard oasis? Introducing Heliocol Solar Pool Heating, the most advanced solar pool heating system on the market. Heliocol panels are designed to efficiently capture the sun's energy and transfer it to your pool water. They're made from high-quality, durable materials and are built to withstand the elements for years to come. Plus, they're backed by the industry's leading 25-year warranty. With Heliocol, you can enjoy a comfortable, warm pool all season long without the high costs of traditional heating methods. Is your pool too cold to swim in? We have the solution. Run your pool for less money. Plus, Heliocol's longevity and warranty ensure you'll have a warm pool for many seasons to come, with no maintenance required. Installation is quick and easy, and our trusted partners at Sydney Solar Solutions of certified professionals will ensure that your system is installed to the highest standards. Plus, with Heliocol's smart technology, you can easily monitor and control your pool's temperature anywhere, anytime. Contact us today to learn more and schedule your installation.